Hi, it's John Alesi talking to you about California real estate. Today's topic is the foreclosure moratorium. I'm sure you've heard in the news a lot of stories and a lot of excitement about this moratorium that's going to hold up the process of foreclosures. So I just wanted to shed a little light on the subject and give you a few items that I just came across in a recent webinar. First of all, the reason that this story came up was that in a court case recently, a GMAC employee revealed that they had signed off on 10,000 mortgage applications in 1 month. That relates to about one every 90 seconds. So it was pretty obvious that there was some fraudulent activity going on and nobody was really watching over the process to make sure it was done correctly. The reaction was to immediately stop all activity on foreclosures until the banks could come up with a process and the government could make sure that the banks were doing the right thing. Currently, only Bank of America has suspended foreclosures in all 50 states. Other banks that are big names that have a lot of loans out in the process right now are banks like Wells Fargo, which has the Wachovia loans. They have not done any kind of a moratorium at all. JP Morgan Chase and Citi Mortgage and Ally, which handles the GMAC loans, have all put a moratorium only in 23 states, and those are the states that require a judicial review before a foreclosure can take place. So what does it mean to the market right now? Actually, only a foreclosure that's at the final stage is in jeopardy of being put on hold. So if a home is getting close to being foreclosed on, or it has just received a notice of default or a notice of trustee sale, which is getting near the very end of the line, those processes will still continue. It's just the final sign-off that's being held up right now. So at this point, my recommendation is if you are in a purchase situation for an REO or a foreclosure home, make sure that your title insurance is fully covering you so that if there are problems with the title, there is an insurance policy in place. And the other thing to keep in mind is that this may slow the process down possibly as much as 30 days. If you're in a transaction, many of the banks may get a little nervous about this and just put things on hold so that they do things correctly and not get penalized by the government. If you have any other further questions, feel free to call me or email me. My email is john@yourOCHome.com. That's john@yourOCHome.com. Or you can visit my website, www.yourOCHome.com. You can contact me through there, leave an email, or just look around for more information. Take care, and we'll talk to you real soon.